Meaning of Fawlty Towers.
Fawlty Towers.
Fawlty Towers.
Fawlty Towers.
Fawlty Towers. Fawlty Towers is a British television sitcom that aired in the 1970s. The show follows the misadventures of a hapless hotel owner, Basil Fawlty, and his wife Sybil as they struggle to run their faulty establishment. Despite the best efforts of their staff, including the clumsy Spanish waiter Manuel, the hotel is constantly beset by disasters and guest complaints. Fawlty Towers is renowned for its sharp wit, memorable characters, and enduring popularity, making it a classic of British comedy.